Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use MailChimp for website development and to manage your domain. So first of all, I want to say thank you so much for getting this far in the course, and I really hope that you are finding value in it. This is one of my passions, is just the whole general online space when it comes to different platforms for marketing and developing a website. And MailChimp is definitely one of my favorite platforms in terms of marketing and email campaigns, and also recently website development. I've always used WordPress before, and WordPress is very nice because there's a lot of functionality to it. It does take a bit of getting used to. When I realized that MailChimp has launched their website platform, web hosting platform, and website builder, I immediately went to go give it a try out and found out that it's very user friendly. So I always recommend whoever wants to build their website themselves and doesn't really have any website development experience, go straight to MailChimp, especially now that they are offering a free website domain for 5 years. So please, if you haven't done your domain, if you haven't registered a domain so far, go register your domain. And please, before you do, read the terms and conditions, because there's quite a bit to get through. And once you have, let's get started. So this is your, as you log into MailChimp, this is your MailChimp dashboard. So this is a brand new MailChimp account. So there was not many, so it will look a bit different. There's not many campaigns. Normally your different email campaigns will be listed over here. You won't see anything now, but let's not go into too much detail there. Let's go straight to your website. So what you need to do is your brand. That's the tab that you want to go to. So click down to that drop down menu. Go to website domains first of all. Yeah, you'll have a list of your domains. So this will show the domain that you've registered your MailChimp with, so not to worry about that one. This is the one, if you've just bought a free MailChimp domain, it will show over here. So I bought admineasy.info. I had an option to buy a .net, a .org. I chose a .info. No particular reason, I just haven't worked with a .info before. I thought, why not be a little bit different? So I bought a .info domain. So it's just to check that it is connected and is registered and authenticated. Before you can use your domain, it needs to be authenticated, but you'll get those authentication instructions will get emailed to you. So just follow the steps in the email. Then to start working with this domain, we need to go to the MailChimp website builder. So we go to the brand tab. We'll then go to manage website. And then you'll have an opportunity to start editing your website. This page will appear. If it's a different page, you might be asked to enter your organization name, and then you'll be directed to this page. But to start editing your website, just press start editing. And this page will appear over here. So currently it's set on the standardized MailChimp website template. So over here you'll see that space for your logo, more towards the right hand side. Once you edit it, you will have a space for your menu. Then you go straight down into your content. So this will be your big header image and your opening kind of headline and paragraph. This you can change to a different button, and it can go straight to a different page or a service. About the about section, you can overlay it with another image over here. And your contact information, products, and testimonials, and then a subscribe function. So at the moment, it's a very basic standardized template which you can use to edit. So I'm not going to go through in too much detail. What I'm going to do is, in the next example, I'm going to build the site for Admin Easy. So I do recommend following the step-by-steps. We're going to start from adding a logo. We're going to basically build a one-page site, or let's build a two-page site. We're going to build a two-page site, basically a one-page overview of everything. and then we're going to build a contact page with a contact form. So in the meantime, get used to the interface over here. It's very easy to use. So basically it works in content blocks. So if you want to edit this, you click on it, and it's going to, the actual editable block will appear here. Sorry, it's going to take some time to load. South African internet. While we're waiting for this to load, by now you should have your logo, your brand colors, and your image banks. So by now you should have thought about what images you want to add to your website. Make sure they are high quality, but general with websites, you don't want to be uploading an image that is, say for example, 5 megabytes. It's going to slow down the speed of your site. So try generally resize your images so that they're below 1 megabyte or 1 meg. That will help just the speed of your site. So yeah, I've gone into the different content blocks. So this is how MailChimp works. So you'll have your preview over here, and then you'll have your content blocks. So if you want to edit this, click on it. You can either click on the content block, or you can click on this little pencil button over here, and here's the content where you can edit it. So whatever you change over here, it's going to change over here. So let's just say type in heading, and you can see it will change over there. And that's the general rule of thumb when working with MailChimp. Edit over here, your preview will be over here, but we'll get more into detail over there. So yeah, for now, let's get started with so register your domain. Make sure you're up and running on the website builder, and then jump straight into the tutorial.